Rachel, what do you think?
Okay, so I always have some positive things to say. So I'm not going to disappoint.
Which is great.
No, we need that.
The balance and the force on this show. I love it. I love it.
So I really love that they didn't just retell the story of the movie. I think that's really good.
I would agree.
Yeah.
I would have been disappointed if it was just a retelling of the movie. So I'm glad it wasn't. It's an original story. I like that. I also really thought, I mean, the animatronics look awesome. We've seen those before, so they weren't like a surprise, but they could have been those weird projection face ones, and they weren't. They look really good. They're the kind of animatronics we've been wanting, the ones that we've seen in Tokyo and the other Asian parks, and now we have them, and so that's really cool. I'm excited about that. They look great. I hope they work consistently.
Yeah, I agree with that wholeheartedly.
So I'm hoping for that. So I really like the animatronics.